This is the third part of our video series where we create a corporate section zoom template in PowerPoint. And in this part, we're going to be creating slide 3, which is the mission and vision slide. So we're going to create a new slide, go over to Home, and we're going to create a new blank slide. Let's start with the text. Go over to Insert, Text box, and this is going to be mission and vision. Select the entire text box and change the font to Railway, and size is going to be 44. I'm going to increase the width of this until we have our text in 2 lines like this, and I'll just move it just a little bit to the side, something like this. Let's insert an image next. So go over to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images, and give this a moment. The image we're going to use is this one. Select this image and go ahead and insert that. Let's change the height to 14, and the width, select crop, and let's reduce it to somewhere between 10 and 10.2, maybe a little bit more. So anything between 10 and 10.2 will do. PowerPoint makes it kind of difficult to do that when you're using these handles. Alright, just going to close that and move this image till it's aligned to the edge of that text while the bottom of our image is touching the bottom of the slide. I'll just move this text a bit to the top like this. Let's now insert a shape. So go over to Shapes, select Ellipse or Oval, and I'm going to insert a circle. So go over to Shape Fill, change the fill of this circle to black, outline, select No Outline. Change the height of your circle to 3.4, and the width is going to be 3.4. Now let's insert an icon. So go over to Insert, Icons, and give this a moment to just load. The icon we are going to use for this one is going to be Path. Select this icon and you can go ahead and insert that. Let's change the dimensions to 2.2 by 2.2. Now put this icon over this circle. Let's go to okay, while we're in graphics format, we can already use the graphics fill option and change the fill of this to white. Select both of them, Ctrl G to group, and I'm just going to move this up a bit and maybe a little bit to the side here. We may still have to move it, but for now this is good enough. Let's now insert a text box. So go to Insert, Text box, and let me grab my text. So this is going to be the text for mission. I'm just going to draw a text box here and I'm going to paste. Let's change the font to Open Sans, make the size 20. Now what I'm going to do, you can do this in separate text boxes, but to keep things simple, we're going to do this in the same text box. Select just mission, change the size to 24, make it bold, and I'm just going to increase the width of this so we have something like this, and I'm going to move it till, I'm trying to align it to this one, but I'm not quite sure, so when in doubt, just align. Go to either shape format or graphics format, anyone will do. Align middle. Okay, it was actually centered properly. Maybe I'll just give it a bit of space and let me move it a little bit. Let's say something here about something, just give it a bit of space. Select this to Ctrl G to group again. Now we can now use this to create our remaining items. So what we're going to do, hold Ctrl and Shift and create one more. Let's create another one. Okay, so I guess this spacing is fine. I'm just going to have that here. Next, what we're going to do is insert text and change these icons. Let's start with this one first. I'm going to select the icon, right click, change graphic, and we're going to get that from icons. And we're going to search for use this one, insert, and we'll change our icon. Let's grab the text for this one, which is vision, and I'm going to paste it. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans, size 20, and once again select this one, change the size to 24 and make it bold. Let's come over to this one. Once again, select the icon, right click, change graphic, and this is going to be from icons. Give that a moment, and I'm going to search for just mark, and we're going to use this one, insert, and I'm going to come over to this. This is going to be core values, and I'm going to select everything here and paste. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans, and size is going to be 20. Let's now select this one, change the size to 24, make it bold, and since let me just ignore the spacing, I'm going to move this one down a bit. I'm going to select all three, shape format, align, and I'm going to distribute vertically. I also want to move this to a little bit closer to the right. Final detail is going to be our animation. So select all three, come over to the animations tab and use floating. For this first one, go over to start, change it to its previous. This second one is going to be after previous, and this one also is going to be after previous. Now let's go ahead and see our slide in the slideshow view, and yeah, this is what we have. And that's it for the missions and vision slide.